Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Today we're going to show you how to make a 3-panel folding screen. First we marked our cuts and made them on our miter saw. For a full list of cuts, please visit our website. We're using oak that is sold by the foot and is very sturdy for this kind of project. With the cuts made, we laid out the 3 panels on the ground to make sure the placement was correct. Then we added pocket holes to the horizontal pieces. We're using the Kreg K4 jig to make the holes. We're also using the dust collection attachment, which makes it virtually dust-free. Next, we squared up the corners and screwed them into place. Mom bought some mid-century looking vinyl fabric that she cut to size and then stained each corner of the frames, and you'll see why in a minute. Back at my house, we laid out the fabric and measured it to the frame and made final cuts to the fabric. Because edges can be hard to finish when using a staple gun, Mom decided to cut the edges out since vinyl doesn't fray, and it would add a little visual interest with wood corners. We clamped the fabric to the frame and set up our compressor and pneumatic staple gun. This is a new DeWalt cordless compressor, which we were excited to try out in this project. And then Mom just started stapling away. Staples are great for this type of project as they hold the fabric firmly in place. Once finished, all we had to do with the compressor was turn it off, bleed off any remaining air, unhook our tool, remove the battery, then open the valve to release any condensation inside the compressor. Now it's ready for next time. With all 3 panels completed, we put 2 panels back to back and added 3 hinges. We marked the location of the holes, drilled pilot holes, then screwed the hinges into place. To get the folding effect, the last 2 panels were attached back to back. Here it is, all ready to take to Mom's house. Mom finished off the screen at her house to make the back of the screen look finished. She also added a couple of feet to the bottom. This screen is ultimately going to live in Mom's bedroom to hide some unsightly exercise equipment. We're still in progress of renovating her bedroom, but once that's done, we'll share that in a future video. And as always, for a look at all our projects, you can find them at motherdaughterprojects.com. Thanks for watching.